Hi, this is Tony Straight, and I'm going to demonstrate how to remove the blades from a monafied pasta machine. My husband Ed Street from edscolors.com powder coated this one. Before I took off the blades, I was conditioning about 3 or 4 different colored clays, so I want to use translucent, so I need to clean the blades, or white clay. So the first thing I'm going to do is unscrew one of the blades. Take the nut off, put it down, take the blade up, pull it out. And you can see how dirty this blade is. So I'm going to take a wipe, an alcohol wipe. I'm just going to clean it off, one end at a time. Get off all that clay, because that's what's going to get on the translucent. Gets really stuck on there. I'm just using an alcohol wipe to clean this. And then don't forget this edge here. See this edge? I usually just take my nail or finger, whatever, and rub it on it. As you can see, I used green. Okay, so this blade is all clean. Just missed one little spot. And then the first thing I'm gonna do is find the hole. And I know that hole is going to go over the screw. So I'm going to place this inside the cutout, and I'm going to just place it down, put the screw back on, oops, and tighten it. And I'm going to do the same thing with the other one. Unscrew it, lift it up, pull it out. And this one you can see is pretty dirty too. And turn around. By doing it one blade at a time, that way it doesn't confuse you. So that's what I recommend. That's how I've always done it. So now I'm going to place it back in the slot and just push it down. Get the screw, the nut, and just tighten it. And there you have a cleaned, monafied pasta machine. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Thank you. Bye.